Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbaa afa mmiri emi nụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala na Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. As my mission is to help people live better life. Anyị na-eji mmiri na ihe ndị ọzọ Chukwu kere nature wee na-agwọ ya. Now, ihe a chọrọ ka akọwara today bụ benefits of soursop, especially the spiritual angle. Yes, often they watch my video on my page. You guys even go the health benefit of soursop. Yes, it's one of the natural leaves we make use of whenever we are preparing so many medication for benefit of man. I'm here to tell you that no one you have Chukwu cannot be useless, but not because they matter. And I keep telling you, seek for knowledge, seek for vision. What you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Soursop is a natural plant of great benefit, both spiritual and physical. In physical benefits is the fruit. The soursop itself is a food for benefit of man. The seed is medicinal, the leaf is medicinal. But today, I want to focus on the spiritual angle to it. Soursop has the ability for cleansing. If you know my compound very well, you will notice that soursop I planted it inside my compound. It's not for a joke. Yes. But what you don't know is beyond their capacity. Some people believe that spirituality is all about making charms, making negative charms. No. That charms if you need make and we're natural plants Chukwu created to be taking care of that. So soursop is one of it. It's like a scanner. You know, once you are living on earth, everybody will not like you. And we're negative thoughts, negative vibration, negative things, spells, yes, cast towards you. That's why you need those plants in around your house to help filter. Let me use the word. Let's filter all those negative vibration and to ward them off far away from you. So soursop is one of it. That's why I have it inside my compound. Yes. 2, it helps to ward off negative vibration like the witchcraft and all those negative vibrations. Very important. Again, negative vibration will be very far. Negative vibration will be very far away from you. You can use soursop leaf in many ways. Yes, you can use it. You can boil it. It's one of the leaves we boil whenever we want to do cleansing. Yes, because of the spiritual properties. Yes, very helpful. 2, you can use the leaf, the dried one. You can dry the leaves and use it for cleansing. You know, sometimes if we want to do cleansing of environment, of homes, of individuals that are being tormented or possessed with negative forces. So, if you know how the benefit of 8 cents, you understand that is why in Catholic churches, before the Reverend Father will start Mass, he first of all light up the incense made of frankincense and rest of them. And the Reverend Father gave figure me sense in and around the altar. You know why you doing it so? I know you don't know. The benefit is to ward off negative spirits around his altar because he wants to celebrate Mass, and also to invite benevolent spirits, good ones, around the altar. Invite those good spirits to join him in celebration of the Mass. So in cleansing, there's a certain cleansing you need. You need to make up an incense, natural incense. Yes. By making that natural incense going up to the air, that natural incense ward off negative spirits around, while attracting the good ones. So our soursop leaf is one of those leaves we add up whenever. If you are part of those people that normally join us in our monthly rituals, end of the month, whenever we are doing it, we make up an incense. Um, Incense, yes. We have incense burner. Once we make up that incense burner, we add lots of incense and leaves, herbs, and those um, uh, natural things that has the capacity and benefit to cast spell, as drive those spells away, then and attract good spirits near us. If you will be able to make use of those leaves that attract or flowers, you won't think that people plant flowers for a joke. All those one day will teach you the benefit of some of these flowers. So, like soursop, once we are burning the incense, we add some few leaves of soursop leaf because of the benefits. Again, soursop leaf, you use it to do cleansing, like I said before. From time to time, you add it to your incense burner. It helps to ward off negativity around you. Let me stop here. If you have any question, ask me. I'm Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu. Thank you.